Are you leaving money on the table as an Amazon seller? It's time to find out why. Mistakes happen even at colossal companies like Amazon, particularly affecting sellers in the FBA program. Discrepancies can cause significant financial loss, but many sellers are unaware of the risks involved. Lost, damaged, or improperly charged items may cost you money directly from your seller account. Without taking action, you're essentially letting funds owed to you slip away silently. Understanding Amazon FBA reimbursements is essential to safeguard your business and recover lost funds. Many sellers are surprised to discover common discrepancies that can occur within their accounts. This guide will walk you through the process of claiming your FBA reimbursements effectively. First, identify any discrepancies in your FBA transactions. This is a crucial step. Check for lost inventory, damages, and even overcharges on your Amazon fees. You can compile necessary documents to aid your claim for reimbursement. Submit your claim and ensure you track its progress through your Seller Central account. Remember, Amazon usually takes 7 to 14 days to respond to reimbursement claims. So, what kinds of reimbursements might you be missing out on? Let's explore. Lost inventory is a significant issue. It can occur during shipping or storage at Amazon. Damaged items can occur both in the fulfillment center and during the transit to customers. Returned items could also warrant reimbursement if the return process hasn't been managed correctly. Amazon can destroy or dispose of your inventory without permission, a disconcerting reality for sellers. Overcharges in Amazon fees can also chip away at your profits without you realizing it. Knowing the specific types of FBA discrepancies is crucial for filing a valid claim. Each category, lost, damaged, returned, destroyed and overcharged, presents its own challenges. Regularly auditing your reports can help you stay ahead and mitigate potential losses. Keeping accurate records will streamline both your claim process and future audits. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all these details? Don't worry, expert help is available. Getida offers services to manage claims efficiently and boost your financial recovery potential. Our team conducts thorough audits, ensuring no stone is left unturned in your reports. And all this comes risk-free. You only pay for successful claims? That's a win-win. While some sellers choose to navigate the claims independently, having support is easier. Filing claims can be complex without expertise, but Getida makes it simpler and effective. Track your claims and ensure compliance with Amazon's submission guidelines to avoid rejections. Your seller account must be in good standing to maximize your chances of approval. Elevate your Amazon game by learning to manage discrepancies, maximize your revenue today.